Are you ready to start your data analytics journey? Welcome to the one-month Data Analytics Bootcamp, where hands-on learning meets real-world projects. For just $99 as an introductory offer, you'll gain access to live, interactive sessions every alternate day. These one-hour sessions are designed for small groups, ensuring personalized guidance and a collaborative learning experience. This bootcamp is packed with essential skills. You'll work with Python, AWS S3, and Streamlit, transforming raw e-commerce data into meaningful insights. By the end of the course, you'll have built an interactive dashboard from scratch, giving you hands-on experience in cloud data storage, data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. This practical approach is ideal preparation for data-driven roles across industries. You'll develop skills in exploratory data analysis, cloud storage, and visualization that make you job-ready. Enrolling is easy. Once you complete the payment, our team will help you with onboarding. You'll receive access to Microsoft Teams, a start date, and all the guidance you need to hit the ground running. Our bootcamps start on the 3rd, 13th, and 23rd of each month. Got questions? We're here to help. Just email us at support@instravate.com or WhatsApp us at +91 742 2788. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain real-world data analytics skills. Enroll now and start building your expertise in data analytics today.